Aw, man. Broke.
This is our front lawn, and this is our backyard. We are going to transform this into a suburban homestead.
Alright guys, so we want to create our own mulch instead of using the stuff from Lowe's or Home Depot. We don't know what kind of chemicals are in there, so we decided to get our own wood chipper. So this is the unboxing of the Sunjo wood chipper right here. They gave you a bag here. This will be for collecting your mulch after you wood chip it. So you put it underneath there. Oh yeah, this is to put your wood in so you don't have to put your fingers, cut your fingers. So this is the wood chipper right here. Feels like about 40-50 pounds, so it's pretty sturdy. It's electric powered, so you don't need gas. Our Sunjo mulcher, we're going to take all these branches and turn it into mulch right there. So come over here. This is how you operate it. You gotta press the forward button until it's down. Then you press the on switch. Let's do this! Okay, so we ended up with this pile of chips here, and we're just gonna lay it all around here in the children's garden. Natural mulch. So we are about to turn all of this scrap wood into beautiful mulch. Okay, so our Sunjo counterplate pretty much broke while we were mulching, and so we are gonna have to find a replacement part for this. Yeah, it broke in half. So middle of mulching, broken half. This is not a heavy-duty wood chipper for sure. We haven't even used it for 2-3 months, so not even heavy duty use, so we're gonna have to replace that so we can finish the job. So I went on the Sunjo website to find a replacement for the counterplate, and it was all sold out. I believe that this is a common problem with this product. where the counterplate keeps breaking, and they probably just ran out of this part, which is unfortunate because that means I cannot continue mulching. So what we decided to do was we decided to do a chip drop, where the city, or not the city, but arborists will come and drop off pre-mulched or wood chipped trees onto your yard, and we're just gonna spread that across. So this product, I would say it's very poor quality. It broke after a few months, and it didn't really take it couldn't handle bigger wood chips. I think it was, if it was bigger than an inch, it wasn't able to handle it. So this thing will be going into the garbage, which is where I think it should belong. I do not recommend anyone buy this. So anybody who's used this product before, let me know what your experience of it was in the comments down below. Maybe this was just an isolated incident and I just had bad luck with it. And if you liked the video, please, of course, like and subscribe and press the notification bell for future videos. Thank you.